MI Auto Times, we want our readers to learn about all Cadillac Michigan vehicles, such as the Cadillac CTS V Sedan, the fastest production sedan in the world. The Cadillac CTS V Sedan is powered by a 6.2-liter supercharged V8, which generates 556 horsepower. Luxury features include ultra-view sunroof, heated seats, and wood trim. The CTS V Sedan carries technology options like navigation system, Bluetooth connectivity, and XM radio. Learn more about the Cadillac CTS V Sedan by visiting our dealership rating section to find a local dealer in your area.